Welcome to another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR. First thing I want to say is have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The reason why I'm saying it's in December time, and this is the perfect time to look at a special wagon. It's by Hornby. And if I get the right end of the box, if the camera focuses on that, it's R6932 7-plank wagon Christmas 2019. Nothing on the bottom box. Different languages from different countries. And that's what it is. So going to get it out the box and have a look at it. Yes, it's upside down, but so basically Hornby do these wagons every year, and Hornby been doing these in different colours of wagons, but the load is just made of resin and painted. It's really lovely. You get that. If you're getting a building made of resin, it's a bit more expensive, almost as cheaper. But this is really kind and really nice of Hornby to put this in. And I love the teddy bear on top, and it's great detail, everything. So I put the load to one side, and it makes a bit of weight to the wagon. So I forgot to mention, nice gold lettering. Merry Christmas 2019 Hornby. It's just a 7-plank wagon. The detail underneath is just basic. If you want to, you can weather it and stuff. No sprung buffers. A shame. You can probably change the hook. If the camera refocuses. Oh well. So basically it's this, so apologise for the noise. So all I can say is have a good Christmas, have a Happy New Year. I'll see you in the new year. Right guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.